Morning, sunshine. Here, eat something. Afraid that's not open to negotiation. You need to eat something. You haven't had anything since that Gatorade. I keep track, yeah. Told you, sunshine. It's my job. So, what do you feel like? I've got some eggs, bacon, and I'm sure we can get some pancakes in if you want. Really? Another thanks. Relax, would you? I'm not upset or anything. I don't let my clients get under my skin. Water under the bridge, okay? So, what are you gonna eat? Good choice. Coffee or orange juice? Here you go. You look a bit better. Color's back in your face. Think the sleep did you well. No, I don't have any leads. Whoever put the hit on you must be pretty powerful. There was no news coverage or anything about the shooting at the club. Far as I can tell, it's like it never happened. That tells me a lot in itself, but unfortunately, it leaves me back at square one. Listen, think back. Did anyone ever threaten you? Anything could be helpful, even if it happened a long time ago. Nothing comes to mind? I figured. No, it just means that I need to dig a bit deeper. I've got a meeting with your father later. I doubt he'll tell me the truth, but maybe with his child's life on the line, he'll be willing to divulge something. What? No, it wasn't nothing. You made a face. Why? Your father and you don't get along. Why? It is important. Come on, sunshine, talk to me. You can trust me, all right? Okay. So, Dad's a workaholic, huh? Puts his career first? Your mom got fed up with it and left, but the divorce was amicable. You're sure? I ask because maybe this is a hit where you're not the target, but more of a tool. Your parents, I assume, love you. Losing a child is one of the hardest things that can happen in life. So, maybe, the hit on you isn't a message for you, but for them. Shit, I'm gonna need to dig deeper. Everyone has secrets, sunshine. Your parents are no exception. Money, I've found, just seems to add to it. Question is, do those secrets warrant a hit on you? Yeah, maybe. But since I don't have any credible leads, I have to consider all possibilities. But hey, you don't need to worry about that. It's gonna be fine, sunshine. One way or another, I'll figure it out. I can promise you that. So, how are you? Yes, I'm serious. You look better physically, but how are you holding up? Liar. I mean, nice try, but you're still a little shaky. It's okay, sunshine. You don't have to be completely okay with this. It's a fucked up situation. I won't deny that. But it's gonna be fine, sunshine. I can be confident because I'm the best at what I do. I've kept other people safe, and you'll be no different. Once I figure out the reason why there's a hit on you, the rest of the pieces will fall into place. Wow, another smile. I'm shocked, sunshine. If I didn't know better, I would think you're actually starting to like me. Is hell freezing over? Ouch, sunshine. Sticks and stones can break my bones, yada yada. Listen, until I'm back, I want you to stay put. I mean it, sunshine. Don't leave the house. Wait for me to come back from my meeting. Don't do anything stupid. Do you really mean that? You've promised me before and lied to me at the same time. Good. Cheer up, sunshine. It sucks right now, but it's gonna get better. You'll see. Things always work out in the... Get down! Stay there! Don't move! Shit! Got away. Sunshine, hey, you okay? Were you hit? No? You sure? Let me look at you. Easy, easy, Sunshine. It's okay. You're okay. I'm okay. Breathe. I'm not sure, but I swear I'll get to the bottom of this. Come on. We need to get to a more secure location. It's okay. I've got you. Lean on me. Jesus, you're shaking like a leaf. It's okay, Sunshine. It's gonna be okay. I promise.